we have discussed all the details about this trainer, industrial PLC, model XPO PLC in previous session. Special video is prepared for PLC trainer in last session. Now we are studying how you can install the SCADA. SCADA means supervisory control and acquisition application. It means SCADA stands for SCADA control and data acquisition. So this is the complete setup. Here we have given two manuals along with PLC. One is XPO PLC IG. IG means instructor guide, and another is for XPO PLC SW means student workbook. Here in student workbook, now for the sample, or here the different type of experiments are given. 19 SAPs means static application panel, we have already provided along with PLC. So this is the first static application doorbell operation. So here this is a wiring sequence given here, and this is the description. Okay, so similarly the ladder programming for this particular project is given inside in IG. In IG we have given total different type of ladders with regular 19 SAPs. These are the 19 SAPs are provided. 19 SAPs. These are the ladder for particular first SAP. First SAP doorbell. This is another switching light. This is a silo converter. This is a switching light. This is a silo converter. This is a 7 segment, and up to 19 SAPs. Here we have given the 19. This is a 1401. This is a ladder for 19 SAPs. Yeah, this is a SAP number 19. This is a 19 number SAP washing machine, and along with these SAPs ladder, these are the additional ladders provided for inverter, OR gate, AND gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR gate, XOR NOR, timer, cascade timer, counter. These are the SR flip-flop. This is another stable multivibrator. This is the analog input. This is the analog output bar graph. Up to 16. It means there is 16 latch using push to on. These are the additional ladders program we have supplied along with 19 SAPs regular program. So here, so next page is for, these are the ladder programs, and this is the procedure for SCADA installation. Before SCADA installation, we require regular these are the complete manual. And this is for this. This is the procedure for downloading regular PLC ladder program. So here for this, first of all you connect the wiring sequence as per manual here in SW. This is the first panel, power supply panel. This is another panel is for simulation extension panel for 8 digital and 6 analog inputs and 2 analog outputs. This panel is for static application. Here we have now studying the SCADA operation or we can operate the doorbell static application by using SCADA. And this is the fourth panel is for relay operation. This is the PLC, yeah, and another panel is for input output brought out from PLC on panel for connecting purpose. 4 mm patch cords are provided for connections. So as per wiring sequence, we have prepared the wiring connections. First of all, we require the installation of this TIP16V TIP15 software. After installation, we receive the icon here. Click this icon. So then go to browse. Browse means where your program is kept in particular drive. So first of all, go to browse and select the program for doorbell, because now we are studying the doorbell operation. Then open. This is the doorbell program. Go to here. Now project is opening. Now here doorbell V15 was opened successfully. It means now we can go to project view here. So here go to PLC, here program block, first to program block, then main ODBI, ODB1. The main ODB1 is object 1. And this is a complete ladder program of doorbell. So now go to here, compile. There is a compiling configuration window will appear. Then go to download. This is a compiling configuration. Now here now go to load. Our program is loading. The ladder program is installed or downloaded to your PLC device. Now you can operate the PLC. Otherwise, if you want to see the actual result in ladder, so you go to here. Now go to monitoring on. So you can push. Now this is the first button. Here there is two inputs. One is gate switch, this is the gate switch, and another is door switch, means this is a door switch. When any one button is pushed, you push any one button, that time your output is bell. So bell will be ringing. Suppose this is the first, this is a door switch and this is a gate switch. First of all, this is when you push the gate switch, bell will be ringing, and there is another is door switch, bell will be ringing. And similarly you can see in ladder also, is the effect of your input and output. Now when I push another button, it will shows closing, and for this gate switch will be closing. And in PLC also you can observe, this is the first switch, this is another switch, and this is the output here. So this is a normal ladder program. Now we want to operate the SCADA. So you minimize the screen, and download the SCADA program. So SCADA is a procedure is given for installing this SCADA. For this you should connect one RJ45 cable from PC to PLC at the time of downloading, as well as for SCADA installation also. Here this is the downloading procedure. This is the installation of SCADA. WinCC software we have provided. This is a complete screenshot. You can follow the complete screenshot. Suppose this is a program for doorbell operation. So this is the complete procedure is given here in IG. So for this SCADA operation, we have provided the SCADA software. Here these are the two CDs for PLC demonstration video for PLC, and this is a ladder programming inside given in this CD, and this is the SCADA software provided for SCADA. This is the certificate license copy from Siemens, and here is the dongle is provided. By using this licensed dongle you can operate the SCADA, otherwise it will not works. It will only works for 1 hour in evaluation mode, otherwise this will be required, this dongle will be required. This is a complete one pack box provided along with PLC. So after installation of schematic WinCC, icon will be appear. Yeah, so open this icon, WinCC screen will be appear. No, yeah, is a doorbell operation. So here is a activate. Click to activate. Now this message is coming because we are not connected dongle, license dongle, that's why. It means dongle means hardware. So hardware lock is not now connected. That's why WinCC will switch to demo mode. It means it will works on evaluation version for 1 hour. So yeah, now when we push gate switch, that time doorbell will be operate, ringing. And here also this is the door switch. When you click this, your doorbell will be operate. So you can observe the effect of this on actual PLC operation. Yeah, so when we switch on gate switch, and then when we operate door switch, bell will be ringing. So this is a one way from PC to actual application panel. Now vice versa, we can control actual. This is a hardware switch. When we operate this, it will shows on your PC screen also. This is a another switch. This is a door switch, and bell will be ringing. It means you can, by using SCADA, you can operate to and fro side. It means from PC, control from PC to actual application hardware, or you can operate the switch of actual hardware, and you can see the or monitoring the result on your PC screen. This is a complete setup for SCADA operation. Now we are going to build the operation of SCADA. It means one simple program. We will see the one simple program how you can design the SCADA screen.